How do y'all feel tonight? Oh, wow. Well, we got a lot of signs out there tonight. How y'all doing over here? What about up there? And over there? And down here? And in the back?